Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sync video from CapCut mobile to CapCut PC. Okay, here I have opened my CapCut application on my mobile phone. And first of all, if you want to sync your device, you have to log into your account. You can log in with your Google account or other social media account like Instagram or TikTok. Then here I have logged into my Google account, and this is my account on CapCut application. And after we have logged in, we can back up our project. We can upload our project to the CapCut space. So you just need to click on the three dots button on the project. For example, I'm going to upload this project, so we can click on this three dots button like this. Then we just need to click on upload to space. Okay, and here we can click on upload to start the uploading process. Okay, and now the project is being uploaded, and you have to wait until 100%. Okay, and after the project has been uploaded to our CapCut space, we can log into our CapCut PC with the same account that we have logged into this mobile phone. And after that, you will be able to edit your project on your CapCut PC. Alright guys, and that's how we can sync video from CapCut mobile to CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.